Hi, this is Melissa from A to Disney. Today I'm going to show you how to make Mickey Christmas tree ornaments. The supplies that you'll need are 2 different sizes of ornaments. Mickey's ears are about half the size of his head. So these ones are 5" in diameter and these are about 2.5. You'll also need ribbon and a drill. Our drill that we used was a 5/16 drill bit. Make sure to use shatterproof ornaments. Justin's going to help me use the drill. You can use a Sharpie to measure to mark where you're going to put your holes.
So I think it would be best to use like what are those, like the fabric measuring tape? But we just found something that was pretty flimsy. And what we did was we measured from here to the center. And then for our hole, we want to make it where it's halfway between this point and this point. So now when you're drilling, you want to drill in slow so that it gives it a chance to get caught. And then that way it's not jumping all over the place.
After you're finished drilling the holes, go ahead and take the tops off the smaller ornaments and pop it in. And there you go, the cutest Mickey ornaments for your Christmas tree. Next, you can thread your ribbon to use it to attach it to your Christmas tree. There you go. Hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.
And remember, whether at home or at the park, make every day a Disney day.